This is my camper that I built. I'm traveling in it all the way out to California. There's a few other videos on the channel if you want to see more about the camper. The road trip is in progress and I'm going to keep on rolling here. So we will see you guys soon. Well, hello. The start of the road trip is here. Just connected the truck up to the camper. We're about to do some pre-trip checks. Check my air pressure on the tires, get the chains hooked up. Gotta find my bolt for my tongue latch, make sure that's good to go. I've got air pressure monitors on my truck now, which I used on another video. They work great. Got a little monitor up front. Let's see here. Yeah, truck's pretty full. Tools, stuff, all kinds of everything. I mean, it's packed. This is all full. Got to do a little bit of cleaning in here, get the seats up. Got a few closed totes and everything to go in there. Hopefully some more of that snow melts up top there. Decent amount has melted off. And then the first stop is going to be my parents to do a little bit of work on their bathroom. And then we're going to stop down at my buddy's farm down by North Dakota. We're going to replace the water heater. Hopefully that goes well. And then the plan is Wednesday to start heading west. Let's get the tires checked out and get this trailer all hooked, connected. That one's about 50 as well, so let's get the air compressor out and we're going to put about 10 pounds in each of them. There we go. Both of those are reading right about 60 and it's a good spot to be. There we go. We're getting some snow melt. A little bit of water coming down. Well, for the next 2 nights, I'm staying at somebody's house. But once I get on the road, I'm going to leave stuff in here. And basically, I just want to have access to the bed. That way I can pull if at a restaurant. If I need to do any cooking, kitchen, toilet, that's all available. And then there's room for me to climb on the bed and get some rest. I'm gonna unhook the trailer. I'm gonna lift it all the way up and just help get that water and snow to melt and drain off. So. See if we can get some more snow melt off. Hey, watch where you're driving. Crazy? Come on, Kenny. Are you stuck? It's a weird thing being up in the north. It's, oh, let me see here. I think it's like 34 degrees. Let's see what the truck says. Yeah, about 34 degrees, and you would think it's the middle of summer right now. No gloves, no hat, no jackets. Cruising around enjoying that sunshine. Hey, 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 easy! Watch out for my camper.
I ran!
Good job. On my last trip to North Carolina, I bought this wireless camera that I mounted in another trailer. I mean, it's grabbing on pretty well. I don't think it'll go anywhere, but got this as a backup. But let's go see what it looks like in the truck. I mean, it's not crucial to have because at least with this trailer I can see out both sides of my mirror, but it's never a bad thing to have another set of eyes to see what's going on back there. There we go. Yeah, it's probably really hard for you guys to see with all the glares, but sweet, that'll work. Couple of nights, just got to be working out of this, but we're not living in it yet. Yep, probably when I get back there'll be no more snow. So we're going on the Yamaha one more time. What sled do you guys want? And what? This one?
Yeah, those two.
Hello, Diener. Two for two on crying kids. Alright, let's go find the deep snow for Mace. Here goes Macy. Goodbye.
Dad, there's not a rock there, John, or a stump. But don't spin your don't spin your You don't want to do that?
Dude.
Okay, you're gonna hurt your back then. Let's not. Lift the heavy thing.
Okay, let's go now.
Okay.
My leg
Oh, nice,
now.
cozy, Mace.
You're hilarious.
All right, baked beans, get in the sled. The road and I'm waiting for a big old snowdrift to come falling off the top of the camper. Let's see if y'all can see it. It's sliding around on the solar panel up there, so we're probably gonna hit the brakes and we'll drop her down. There it goes. Kaboof. Oh yeah. Well, there's still one hanging on up there. All right, just said goodbye to the fam. That was tough. It's hard. We've got a beautiful family and it's always hard to say goodbye to them no matter how long of a trip you're taking, but as hard as it is, I am excited about this trip. Go get some work done and see what's next in store for us. So, the journey has begun, and we are off. first stop is a supper stop. As long as I'm still in the Midwest, I'm hitting up Culver's. Let's go get a butter burger. All right, got our food. Cheeseburger, onion rings, and an Oreo mixer. And you always got to get the Culver's root beer. I'm gonna house this and we'll get back on the road. End of day one, just pulled into my parents' house. It is 12:05. Did about 267 miles. Logged about 6.5 hours in the truck running. And I'm tired. I'm real tired, so I'm gonna head in the house, get some sleep, and we'll see you guys in the morning.